This is a digital timer. I'm returning it. I got two of them. I don't like them, and I'm going back to Lowe's to exchange them for the oldest style. They weren't quite difficult to set up, but when to operate, I had to figure it out. It was hard for me to see the monochrome black screen, the font, and the silver background. And I'd rather just go to the old-fashioned pull-out, plug-and-play one. It's like the one I got on my wall, the 12-volt one. They do a nice job, but I'd rather do something a little bit more easier to operate with. So here I am, waiting for the light to change. Now, window's not 100% clean, and there could be a reflection that goes into the camera, causing glare and flare. I got a message, never came to the hosting site, and it was about DJI. Let me go into the store, and when I come out, we'll give a little talk about what they said to me. I got the ones that you basically just push in little tabs or pull out the tabs, and it could go on multiple times as well. A lot easier to control, simpler to see and set up. So off we go, set up our lizard light. Oh man, I left my light on in the car because of you, DJI. And I forgot to shut the camera off, and I'm looking here like a fool. Do I really need to have the light on? Man, I just felt out where it was at. And so DJI gets with me. They give me a reply publicly and said they private messaged me. Well, DJI basically has, like we all do, communication problems. And the problem here is PM meant we replied to you because there wasn't any DM, PM private messages in my mail. And this was about the door, the USB door being waterproof. No way was it waterproof. Sure it is. You could dunk it in the water. Nothing's going to happen to it. The door was designed and improved to be like that. And it's meant to slide down and open up the improved way. DJI did a great job. And there is to be a gap. Well, yes, there are to be gaps indoors in everything because you have a hinge, everything needs to, work. If you didn't have a gap and you didn't have a hinge, then the door wouldn't open up. So I was saying that DJI got with me and they sent me a private message and still waiting for it. And I'll let you know what they said. But that public comment was replied to me telling me about the quality of the camera. And they rest assured that they're aware that the camera is to work 100% with the improved door that they have on the camera. So anyway, yeah, I'm trying to set up a timer. I could get two lights to go on at the same time with one timer because they're dual outlets, but they don't have a timer that could set one light on and then set the other light on and off at times. I got to have two separate timers, so a heat goes on, a heat lamp, and then the next light will be the regular light, so they simultaneously go on and off. So how'd you like that poll on the other vlog that I did early on? Man, that was fun. I had to dig a deep hole, bury the thing, cement it, and then how am I going to get up top to do the pole? Putting a street light up, oh man, you have to get two friends and both got to hold it up and try to balance it. Oh, I get it. You put it all down on the floor and you walk it up and then you try to lift it up. That's way too heavy. Not much leverage you got. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. I hope you enjoyed the story that I shared with you. Man, one thing I can't do is get back my last vlog that I deleted off. Things do happen. That's the way it is. I'm Fish, and I catch on another story.